Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate auto captions on CapCut PC. Let me just import a video real quick. Okay, this one. So I'm just going to go to the text section of the app, go to auto captions, and select the language that you spoken. Okay, just select language, okay, on that video. Mine is in English, so I'm just going to select generate. And you only have like 5 free uses, I think now. But yeah, that is how you can generate captions on CapCut PC. You can also generate bilingual captions. But yeah, that is it for this video. Super simple and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.